I'm at 7500 Dearborn. We are in the south end of the Detroit Shoreway neighborhood. We got vinyl siding here. Porch is in good shape. Pillars look to be straight. It is a slate roof. It's like 6-inch vinyl siding. It's pretty rare. Great little yard back here. No parking, no access for parking. But got this nice yard. There is asphalt on the porch roof. But get out there and show you that slate. There we go. Looks like it's in good shape. See, looks like some work's been done on it over the years. And that's all I got. Heading inside, got vinyl plank flooring, got vinyl windows, huge living room here. It's got can lighting, ceiling looks great. And we walk over to the dining room. Again, we got can lighting, fixture over the table. Give you an idea how big this living room is. Very nice. Got some built-ins, window seat by the window, and pretty open to the living room. Kitchen. It's a granite counter there. I think they're probably oak cabinets. And eat-in area that they are using as a pantry. Basement access is right here. Let's head down there. So the floor is going to appear wet, and it is wet because they just cleaned it. So it smells like pine sol. So there is not a issue with water. But the walls, from what I can see, it's dark down here, but from what I can see, things look good. Got furnace. Hot water tank. We got a slap sink over there. There's not much plumbing going to it, but looks like a setup for a washer and dryer. And then we got our electrical box with the mix of knob and tube, it looks like, and Romex. Actually, it looks like mostly Romex, but I'm seeing some knob and tube up there. Don't know if it's active or not. Heading upstairs. Got 3 bedrooms up here, carpeted. Got 1 bedroom here, closet. Another bedroom, closet. We got the big bedroom up front, and it has 2 closets. So it's a really nice sized bedroom. And we've got bathroom. This appears to be ceramic tile. Some updated cabinetry, ceramic around the bath, and glass tile, or not tile, glass door. Okay.